Once upon a time in the Amazon, money didn't glitter, it fluttered. Long before coins or banks, tribes traded something far more beautiful: parrot feathers. The rarer the color, the greater the value. To some tribes, a single scarlet macaw feather could buy food, tools, even settle disputes. But these weren't just decorations, they were symbols of power, respect, and spiritual wealth. Funny thing, isn't it? We've gone from trading feathers to paper, to pixels. Yet the idea hasn't changed. Value is still a beautiful illusion we all agree to believe in. Subscribe to The Price of History for more short stories, where money, power, and history collide.